Hey guys, today I would like to show you how to create this cute little bathroom basket to basically put your toilet paper or anything that you would like. So for this project, you will need a diaper box, any size that you would like to use. Also, you would need a fabric. I'm using this one that I purchased at the dollar store. I think it was about $2 and I still have a lot left for my next project. And also you will need a hot glue gun. So let's get started. I hope you enjoyed my video on how to create this cute little basket from a diaper box in just about 5 minutes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and comment down below to let me know if you tried the project. I hope to see you soon.